The Xbox game developer behind Psychonauts, Double Fine, is forming a union. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech and gaming place. Double Fine, the legendary studio behind some of gaming's weirdest and wildest hits, just filed a petition with the National Labor Relations Board to team up with the Communications Workers of America. This isn't a small group, as all 42 full-time and part-time employees are ready to sign on the contract. The goal? It's all about protecting that signature creative spark while locking in better quality of life, diversity, and inclusion. They aren't looking for a fight. Crew's asking Microsoft for voluntary recognition, and so far, the tech giant is playing nice. Microsoft has stuck to a neutral approach, promising not to interfere while the workers exercise their rights. Double Fine is joining a massive wave of unions sweeping through the Xbox empire. They're following the trail laid by over 500 World of Warcraft veterans and the wall-to-wall union formed by the Overwatch team. Even the Diablo crew and the ZeniMax quality assurance team have recently locked in their own deals. Since joining Microsoft in 2019, Double Fine is kept busy with Psychonauts 2 and quirky gems like Keeper and Kiln. By unionizing, the staff wants to make sure the studio stays just as legendary for its workplace culture as it is for its games. It's a bold move for the developer, proving that even the most creative corners of the industry are ready for a seat at the table. Whether Microsoft gives the green light immediately or waits for the official vote, the workers at Double Fine are officially leveling up. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.